Hi guys, we're going to be doing Minecraft again. Let me see if I can. Oh, just now what are we on? Oh, once upon was on. So we're going to be doing Minecraft. Happily for me, I have this thing, like time lapse, but I didn't really use it. It sucks really. Sit down, you guys. Sit. All of you sit. Okay, guys, remember to subscribe. Just slap that like button. What about you? I'll actually keep munching. These two. Oh my god. So, guys, that's actually another secret now. They can actually feed them while they're sitting down. Oh, dang! No! I do not want to do that. I want to sit them down. Sit.
Now, back in September, Harry was convicted of smuggling $300,000 worth of mozzarella cheese and chicken wings over the border. The Crown Star witness in that case was former disgraced Tom Jeff Birdie, who was sentenced to prison for smuggling $500,000 of cheese.
Oh, come on. I forgot where my house is now. I don't even know what it is. This way. Definitely going the right way. Except this way. I'm wrong. So stupid. Okay, you know what now? I think I'm gonna put these guys in a feeding cage. Here. Oh my god, these little pups are gonna, and I don't want to hurt one of them. These guys are so delicate. Dang it! No, don't run away. What are you doing? Wait, what do I need you to do that, boy? Okay, so then, guys, if you want, make a subscription. If you want me to do an intro now, or if it's just better. I've changed my profile name and my profile picture if it's changed. The picture I drew, put it on the internet. For some reason, I really wish I could go to time lapse right now. Now, guys, all we need now, could put some of these doors all around. Yeah, I forgot you can't place doors on the ground. I mean on glass. So it's good about that. I wish they actually never had that. Be like a prison for dogs. Besides the puppies. Also, I have trails at my lab. He doesn't talk as much as he used to. No. Hey guys, guess what? Troy's had a baby. Really awesome. No, not really. It's actually kind of gross. It's like a mini Troyos. I don't even want to see it. No, it's not that, you guys. worry about it. They can have fun, yeah. Doing whatever they want to do. No, I do not want to do that. Let's play some sort of music. What we gotta do? This is like the dog part. Oh my god, what's next? What am I doing? I'm going somewhere guys soon. So I'm gonna end the video right now. See ya.